Hello children, welcome back to maths class. We have studied about decimals in the previous class. Do you remember about decimals? Decimal means, what is that decimal? They are the place values of a decimal number is coming after the ones place. They are 10th place, 100th place, 1000th place, like that it is going on the digits right after the units place. Okay, then today we are going to solve some questions. It is write the decimal for each of the following. Some clues are given. You have to write the number. Some digits are in the hundreds place or some digits are in the 10th place. By using that clues, we are going to write the decimal number. First question, 6 in the ones place, 8 in the 10th place. Therefore, we have to write the number. Then what is that? 6 in the ones place. The ones place digit is 6. That is 6. Then after that ones place point should be there. Then the 10th place digit is 8. That is the place just after the decimal point is 10th place and the digit in the 10th place is 8. Therefore, 6.8 is the number. Then second question, 9 in the hundredths place and 4 in the hundreds place. Then 4 in the hundreds place and there is no digit in the, nothing is given about the digits in the tens place and ones place. Therefore, we can put zeros in tens and ones place. Then the number is, 4 is in the hundreds place, therefore 4. Then the tens place digit is 0, ones place digit also 0. Then after the ones place put a point. Then given that 9 is in the 100th place, 10th place digit also is not given. That means put a 0 in 10th place. And after the 10th place, the 100th place digit, it is 9. Therefore, the number is 400.09. That in that number 4 is in the hundreds place and 9 is in 100th place. All other places the digits are 0. Then the number, next number, 2 tens plus 8 ones plus 6 tenths plus 4 hundredths plus 7 thousandths. We have to write the decimal number. 2 tens, that is 2 tens, 8 ones. Therefore, it is, the number is 28. 2 tens plus 8 1 means the number is 28. Then point. 6 tenth. 6 tenth means 10th place is just after, right after the point. 6 tenth. Then 400th. 400th and 7,000th. Therefore, this is the number 28.647 in that one. 2 tens, 8 ones, 6 tenth, 400th and 7,000th. Therefore, write this in the notebook. Then convert, next question, convert each of the following fractions into decimal number. Decimal number. Then 56 by 100. 56 by 100, it's a fraction. We have to write the decimal number for this fraction form. 56 by 100. How do we write that as a decimal? To write the decimal, look at the denominator. In the denominator, how many zeros? There are 2 zeros in the denominator. That means there should be 2 digits after the decimal point. Therefore, there are, how many digits are there in the numerator? 2 digits, 5 and 6. Therefore, 5, 6, 56. Then I told you that there should be 2 digits after the decimal point and we have written 2 digits 56. Therefore, put a point before 5 and put 0 also, because if there is no digits before the decimal point, we should put 0. Then the decimal number equal to 56 by 100 is 0.56. Second question, 22 by 10. 22 by 10, in that denominator is having only 1 0. That means there should be only 1 digit after the decimal point. First write the number in the numerator. The number on the numerator is 22. We are going to write the decimal number and the denominator is having only 1 0. Therefore, there should be only one digit after the decimal point. Therefore, the decimal point will come before this 2. The number is 2.2. This is the decimal number equal to 22 by 10. Then the next question is 84 by 100. 84 by 100. How many digits should be there after the decimal point? There are 2 zeros in the denominator. Therefore, there should be 2 digits after the decimal point. That is, the number on the numerator is 84. Write that one. Then put a point. Then put 0. Therefore, 0.84 is the decimal number equal to 84 by 100. Then question number D. How do we read that number? It is 34,856 divided by 1000. Therefore, the decimal number equal to this number is, there should be, there are 3 zeros in the denominator. Therefore, there should be 3 digits in the numerator. Write the numerator first. 34856. This is the number on the numerator. Then decide where we should put the point. There are 3 zeros. Therefore, from the right side count 1, 2, 3. Put the point here. 34.856 is the decimal number equal to this number. And the next one, 9 by 100. To write the decimal number, write the numerator first. Then after that you decide how many digits should be there after the decimal point according to the zeros in the denominator. Here are 2 zeros in the denominator. Therefore, there should be 2 digits after the decimal point. But in the numerator, there is only 1 digit. Therefore, put a 0 before 9. Now, there are 2 digits before 0. Then put the decimal point. Therefore, 0.09 is the decimal number equal to 9 by 100. That is, if we have a fraction, we can write the decimal number equal to that given fraction. The next one is, convert each of the following decimal numbers into fractions. If a decimal is given, we can convert that to fraction. 8.2. 8.2, we have to write it in the fraction form. For that, look at the decimals after the decimal point. Look at the digits after the decimal point. After the decimal point, the digit is 2. That means only 1 digit after the decimal point. That means there should be only 1 0. Therefore, that means the denominator should be 10. Denominator should be 10 because there is only 1 digit after the decimal point. Then write the number without the decimal point. 82 by 10. The number without the decimal point is 8 and 2. 82. And there is only 1 digit after the decimal point. Therefore, put 1 0. That means write only 10 in the denominator. Then second number, 7.35. How many digits are there in the there after the decimal point? There are 2 digits. That means the denominator, there should be 2 zeros. That means the denominator should be 100. The denominator, write the denominator first. Denominator should be 100. Then write the number without the point. The number is 735. 735 by 100 is a fraction form of 7.35. And the last one, 1.325. In 1.325, there are 3 digits after the decimal point. That means the denominator should be 1000 because there are 3 digits after the decimal point. Then write the number as the numerator. 1325 is the numerator and the denominator is 1000. 1325 divided by 1000 is the fraction form of 1.325. Therefore, we have studied how to convert a decimal into a fraction and a fraction into a decimal. For this also, you have to write in the notebook. And here are some homework. Let us try 8.2, page number 32, question number F, G, H and L, 2, C, D and E. Okay children, bye. Bye.